Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about one of our top sellers, the Premium Full Bar Titanium Shredder. This is a coating removal tool. This tool will remove soft build coatings from adhesive, underlayments, to epoxies, to mastics. It just removes it fast and leaves a nice subtle scratch pattern versus like a PCD, which will leave rogue scratches, and you have to take another tool to remove those scratches, and you're adding steps. With this tool, you're able to remove a coating, get a nice uniform scratch profile, and go on from there. The tool has a great wear rate. It can definitely speed up removal of coatings versus like PCDs, carbides, etc. You're looking at a cost per square foot realistically between 2 to 3 cents a square foot. It works wet and or dry. It can be used on heavy machines and lightweight machines. For more information, message me now.
Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Let's talk about the Cobra concrete cup wheel. Now, this isn't just another tool. It's a market leader. For us, it's our top seller for cup wheels, known for its impressive removal rates and speedy material elimination. And then working with soft materials like mortar or epoxies, the Cobra is precisely what you need for fast and effective removal. Its distinctive design avoids smearing, making it a go-to for like leveling off concrete and erasing high spots with ease. With remarkable wear resistance that lasts a very long time, this wheel doesn't wear down quickly. Plus, it runs at higher speeds without causing diamonds to flip. Now, thanks to its high premium segment design for an extended period of life, this is an exclusive, expressive segment pattern. It's relentless on the job. So if you're leveling off concrete floors, removing any type of coatings or excess material, for more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Let's talk about our half bar 25 grit soft bond grinding plate. Now, it's just not another tool. This little guy is a powerhouse, proven and trusted by professionals. The 25 grit soft bond is crucial for the initial stages of concrete resurfacing. It's designed for quick and effective material removal. Now, if you're working on hard concrete or dealing with a coating, this is where the soft bond shines. It grinds efficiently without being overly aggressive. Now, whether you got a residential or commercial project, this half bar handles various concrete surfaces with finesse. Now, its smaller dimensions make it ideal for tighter spots, giving you precise control in every corner of the project. And we're not just talking, we're putting the sale for you. Now, the sale here, you're looking at spending $11.18 on each tool. Now, quality and affordability, we got you covered. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Let me share some real talk about our Prime Shine polishing program. Now, this isn't just another product, Prime Shine. It has been around, proving its reliability year after year. Now, it isn't new, but it's gold. It doesn't just promise, it does deliver. A better finish, ease of application, cost effectiveness. Now, other systems might talk the talk, but Prime Shine, it definitely walks the walk with a finish that's not only superior, but also easier to achieve. Now, with a lower cost per square foot and faster floor delivery, it's a no-brainer. Plus, it's a wet polishing program, blending 4 diamond tools and 3 chemicals seamlessly. Now, it's not just about selling you a product. We're here to ensure you that use of Prime Shine effectively with real support whenever you need it. Now, you're stuck on the floor, you can give me a video call. Step by step, I'll guide you through until you can fly solo confidently. For more information, message me now.
Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Let me introduce you to Chemtech's Chem 1000 polyaspartic coating. Now, it's a 2-component coating with 83% solids designed with the installer in mind. Now, it's low VOZ and made to resist chemicals, abrasions, and the harshness of UVs. You could apply it with a squeegee, roller, or spray it on, whatever suits your project. You could use it on terrazzo or as a top finish in driveways. It's very effective. Now, with its consistent performance, Chemtech's Chem 1000 ensures you get the finish you aim for. It's all about durability, quality, and giving you the value for your investment. If you're looking for a reliable coating solution, something that's super, super durable, then think about Chemtech Chem 1000. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the RF magnetic series for the Prepmaster. This is so you can retrofit your drive plates, take any diamond tools that make your grinder better. You know, so if, right now, like let's say for the Prepmaster, they're offering you diamonds that has too much surface area, and maybe you want a little bit more point pressure, so you can do a little bit more efficient stock removal, or just a removal of a coating faster or whatnot. With the RF Magnetic series, you're not married to any company's tooling. So if they're on a proprietary style diamond tooling, you can buy diamond tooling from anybody. If there's a guy in your backyard who has done the research and development to develop diamonds that are better for the concrete in your backyard, well, then you can go and deal with them and possibly save a lot of money by the end of the year, maybe north of 5%, 10%. That's a lot of money, and it adds up. And this way you could also, I mean, you just see your production rates just go up per hour. For more information, message me now.